Hi students, today we will discuss about resistance, which is denoted by R. Specific resistance or resistivity is denoted by rho. Resistivity is more preferable according to IUPAC. Conductance is denoted by G. Specific conductance or conductivity is denoted by K. K for kappa. Conductivity is more preferable according to IUPAC. Cell constant is denoted by G star. In electrolysis, this is the beaker with liquid inside. In that liquid, you put two rods which are connected by a battery. These two rods are called as electrodes. Positive electrode is called as anode and negative electrode is called as cathode. For example, I am taking NaCl solution. In NaCl solution, positive ions are Na plus and the negative ions are Cl minus. Na plus ion, that is cation, is migrates towards cathodic electrode. Cl minus ion, that is anion, is migrates towards anodic electrode. Due to movement of electrons, current is flow. Battery produces potential difference on both the electrodes. Every substance is resists the flow of current to some degree. Resistance is calculated by Ohm's law. Electrolytic resistance is the ratio of potential difference and current. Potential difference is V and current is I. Now we will define the resistance. The hindrance provided by the solution on the passage of current is called as resistance. What are the units for resistance? Ohm. Coming to resistivity. Solution resistance depends upon the electrode area of cross section and distance between the two electrodes. So resistance is directly proportional to L and resistance is inversely proportional to A. Combining these two, R is proportional to L by A. Take out this proportionality constant. Now we will write constant, that is rho. Rho is resistivity. Rho is equal to Ra upon L. Units for resistivity is ohm meter. Coming to conductance. Conductance is the inverse of resistance. So G is equal to 1 by R. What are the units for conductance? Conductance units is ohm inverse because conductance is the inverse of resistance, or mho or Siemens. Coming to specific conductance or conductivity. The inverse of resistivity is called as conductivity. So K is equal to 1 by rho. Rho value is R into A upon L. So we will write 1 by R, L by A. 1 by R means conductance, that is G. L by A means G star, that is cell constant. So conductivity K is equal to conductance into cell constant. What are the units for conductivity? Ohm inverse, centimeter inverse. We will define conductivity. Electrode area is 1 centimeter square and length is 1 centimeter. So the total volume is 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. So conductance of 1 ml of solution is called as conductivity. Concentration of ions is increases, conductivity also increases. Coming to cell constant. The quantity of L upon A is called as cell constant. L is distance between the two electrodes and A is the area of cross section of electrodes. So G star is equal to L by A. Units for cell constant is L is equal to centimeter, A is equal to centimeter square. So centimeter cancel. So 1 by centimeter is equal to centimeter inverse. So centimeter inverse is the units for cell constant.